Hello everyone and welcome to CNLS channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you transcriptions, their definitions, their importance in language learning, and also their types and pronunciations in some examples. So, first of all, what are transcriptions? Transcriptions are the sounds that we make when we pronounce a letter or letter group, all right? And transcriptions can be represented with some kind of letters that you can see here on the screen, all right? And we use it to know how to pronounce a letter or letter group. So you're going to see now some types of most common used transcriptions with some examples, and I'm going to go through them one by one and show their pronunciations. So, first of all, we see here sound A or letter A, and we call it sound. That's why we pronounce it as A, not A. All right? So, A. And we see here double dot. What does it mean? It means a longer version of this sound. So, A. All right? Not much longer, just a bit longer version. So here we have an example: father, father, not father, just father. All right. Next one is combination of a and e, and we pronounce it as a. So the example here is carry, carry. Next one is a, like game, as an example here, or gate, or lame, and etc. And here we see o, sound o, but longer version, o. An example: small, ball, call, tall. And here we see again sound o, but short o, or normal o. Watch, watch. And here again similar sound, just like here. We pronounce it also as a, again, about. And here we see s, not s. Again, pay attention, this is not a letter. Actually, this is a sound. That's why we pronounce it as s. An example here is sell. And the next one is I, fly, my, shy. Next one is e, short e, happy, puppy, floppy, and etc. And here again we have e, but this time we have longer e, taxi, jacuzzi, and etc. So next one is here, like early, or, and as an example, earn. Next one is long head, dead. Next one, next two are actually the most difficult pronunciation, especially for beginners in English. And the first one is pronounced as think, all right? Think, similar sound as s, but not s. Think, just like here. And here it sounds as z, these, or that, although, and etc. Next one is sh, just like a sign of integral, all right? If you know the math. Sh, shark, shark. Next one is ch, ch, chest, cheese, chicken. Next one is a, but short a this time. Blood, flood, and etc. And the next one is v, war, war, or just like here, watch. And next one is long u, wood, food, spoon, tooth. And the last one is again u, but here it's short u, or in other words, normal u, like book, look, hook, and etc. So, as you can see, it's just the sounds that are represented by letters. So, it makes us to easily understand their pronunciations. And this is the pronunciation of letters or letter groups or letter combinations. So these were the transcriptions. They are highly important in learning any language, especially English in this case. And before starting other parts of grammar, you need to know phonetics, and transcriptions are the most important part of phonetics.